Second.
Okay.
You guys, we are about to find out what the baby is. The nurse just saw it, but I didn't see it. Hold on, don't say anything. Nurse, please tell us while we are here, what is the sex of the baby?
I think you can see it. No, it's a little boy.
Hey, it's a boy. it's a boy. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. It's a boy. Nurse, please tell the people on the camera. It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. That's what dreams. It's a boy.
Well, I guess that's what he wanted, huh?
I'm about to cry. Okay, I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry for real. I'm happy. Stop it. Y'all doubted me to all hi haters. How y'all doing? It's a boy.
I thought I saw it, but I was just didn't want to believe it.
Junior. Hey. Y'all heard it here first. It's a boy. Hey, Deshaun.